Okay, hello friends. Let us revise the first topic of geography, resources. What is a resource? Resource is anything that fulfills man's need. Now let us discuss about types of resources. Land, water and air etc. are known as natural resources because they come directly from nature. We use many things coming from land and water directly and make use of these resources indirectly. Okay, now let us discuss about different types of resources: natural resources, human made resources and human resources. Natural resources are further divided as renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Resources that do not get depleted even after their continuous use are known as renewable resources. Means they are renewed easily. For example, solar energy, hydropower energy, geothermal energy, wind energy. They exist in around us and they renewed easily. They don't get depleted. Depleted means finish. Okay, that's why they are called renewable resources. And non-renewable resources, once they are consumed or they are used, they get depleted, means they get finished. And to renew them is long process. They get renewed after several years, means generation passes. Okay, so example of non-renewable resources are coal, petrol, diesel and gas are example of non-renewable resources. Further, there are resources are grouped as biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are the resources found. Biotic resources refer to living things. For example, forest, crops, birds, and animals. Anabiotic refers to non-living things. For example, land, air, water, minerals are examples of abiotic resources. On the basis of stages of development, potential resources. Potential resources, though they exist in our surrounding, still to make use of them, we need help of technology, or they can be used in future with the help of technology. And the actual resources, the resources which exist in our surrounding and we use in large, okay, presently. For example, black soil in Maharashtra, they are utilized extensively by humans. Ubiquitous resources means the resources those are found everywhere. For example, sun, heat of sun found everywhere. Soil, water, air are examples of ubiquitous resources. And localized resources, they are found in particular location, particular places. For example, different kind of mines of minerals. For example, copper in Rajasthan and Bihar. They are localized resources. Let us discuss about human resources. We all are human beings. We all can think. Each one of us has or can develop a particular skill and knowledge. People have the capability to transform any substance into a valuable resource by using their knowledge and skill. What makes people successful? Their knowledge and skill. For knowledge and skill, there is need of education and good health. And an individual having good knowledge and skill becomes a resource. Hence, the government focuses on the development of skills and knowledge and health of the people, for the good health of the people. Human made resources are the resources those are made by humans. For example, cars, aeroplanes, satellites. These are human made resources because they are made by human. Furniture in our house. These are examples of human made resources. Now there you see in one picture, in one figure number A, you find there horse. A man is riding on horse. On another in another picture, a man is using cart for transporting his goods. And in figure images C and D, the satellites or cars, they are examples of human made resources. Human made resources are the products made from raw material obtained from natural resources. Raw materials that goes through transportation is a human made resource. For example, gold. Though we find gold naturally, still it goes through transportation for making jewelry, and that jewelry is human made resource. Are human made resources produced equally everywhere? As Japan is devoid of natural resources, it imports them to meet its needs. The productivity of these resources varies means changes from place to place due to the following factors, that is the use of technology, political and economical government policies of that particular country, a physical infrastructure and social cultural setup. All these things determine the use of resources, the development of resources in particular area. Okay, thank you.